Hello, 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 all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Happy Monday. Usually, I don't do a video on Mondays. I usually am going live for my members on Monday, and today's crazy day. Our first night of VBS is tonight, and I'm going to be up in my classroom at our church for my last day to get everything organized and ready for tonight. So there's not going to be a live this afternoon because I'll be up at the church getting things ready. But I wanted to come on today, and I'm sorry that I didn't do a duck duck dishcloth on Friday. Um, we got back from our Ohio trip for my aunt's funeral, and it completely exhausted my mother. Absolutely exhausted her. So I was doing things for her. I was getting the house ready for my daughter and her husband and my son-in-law. They were coming in to stay for the weekend, so I was getting the house ready for them. And I just did not have any time for a video on Friday, and I'm sorry. Then, of course, I don't do videos on the weekend because family time. And I was doing a lot for my mom. I was checking on her, doing some things for her. And Megan, my daughter, and I, we went to visit her the other day. And there was just a lot going on that I had to just focus on family, and I had to focus on stuff around here so I could do things today. So, yeah, so this week is going to be, you've got the video today. Tomorrow is my office day where I've got to come up here and organize the monstrosity of a mess that I've created up here once again. Um, and then Wednesday, we will not have videos per se um, for Battle of the Stitches because we have 5 Wednesdays this month. So next Wednesday, not this week, but next week will be our live at 2 p.m. Central with myself, Heather at Strings and Threads, and then Jennifer at Dinky Crafts. We're going to go live tomorrow, or next Wednesday, not this Wednesday. So voting for Battle of the Stitches is still open. So if you have not watched our reveal videos and our tutorials on the projects we made, make sure to go check those out. I will have Jennifer and Heather's channels linked below. Go check out their videos. I'll just link their videos for their reveal in the description box so you can click on there and go right to their videos if you haven't watched them, and then head over to Heather's community tab at Strings and Threads, and I'll have the poll link down too. And make sure you go to the poll and vote for your favorite project. And also leave a comment. If you don't leave a comment, then we can't include you in the um prize, in the drawing, because if you just vote, it just gives us a percentage. It doesn't tell us who voted. So in order to be included in the prize drawing, you have to leave a comment after you vote below the poll. So that'll be Wednesday. We'll just have the polls open Wednesday. Thursday, my devotional Thursday. So we'll have the next devotional. And then Friday, back to Duck Duck Dishcloth. Now, as far as Duck Duck Dishcloth is concerned, I've got to do a little bit of fixing on that. I was told by another one of my subscribers that they missed seeing my completed dishcloth where we made the angel dishcloth. I went back and looked, and I don't know how I missed that. I went back and looked at the videos just to double check, and I never showed you guys my angel dishcloth. So here it is. I really thought I had shown that, but I seriously, when I got that notice that she hadn't seen it, I thought, well, I got to go back and find that video so I can show her. And then I couldn't find the video. So just in case I did not, here's my angel dishcloth from several weeks ago that I finished. So there you go. This worked up really quick and really easy, and I really loved it. I don't have the book up here with me right now. It's downstairs in my other bag. I forgot to bring it up. But anyway, for Duck Duck Dishcloth this week, something different. The duckies were doing a little bit of a prank on us. They were getting really sneaky this week. And the duck that got pulled out, I'm going off the top of my head now. I can't remember what she called it, but I think she called it a reverse quacking, something like that. Anyway, we are supposed to take the book that we're using, the dishcloth book we're using, and we have to go back in that book and pick our favorite dishcloth and make another one. Now, I'm not telling you which dishcloth I picked. So, in the comments, which dishcloth do you think I'm going to remake? So we have to pick one that we've already done and remake it. And that'll be for next week. So next Friday, I will show you the dishcloth that I picked to redo. And I'm going to do it in a totally different color and everything. And so you guys will have to stay tuned Friday to see which one I redo. I have, in case you're new to the channel and you don't know what I'm talking about with Duck Duck Dishcloth, I have a playlist. Please go check it out. You can see all my dishcloths that I've done so far. I think we have, excuse me, I want to say about 9 more to go. I think it's going to put us about mid-September when we finish this dishcloth challenge. So some fun stuff coming after that. So that's the week. That's what's happening. But I just wanted to come on, and here's my angel. I cannot believe I didn't show this. I really thought I did. I really thought I did. So I got some yarn in from Premier. They were having a sale. And so I got 4 packages of this. This is the Reply, and I'm going to pull one out. I got 4 of these. This is called, oh no, don't take the band off. No. Get that band back on there. This is Premier Reply. It's a DK made with 100 recyclable materials. It's 50% acrylic, 30% cotton, 20% polyester. And we have hunter green shutters on our windows on our house. And I have been wanting to make covers for the cushions on, my son-in-law made Steve and I matching chairs. He does the amazing woodwork, and he made us matching chairs on our front porch. And I was wanting to make covers for the cushions on those chairs. And so when I saw this and it was on sale, I got some. And I really hope I got enough, because each one of these is 251 yards, and there's 3 in a pack. So I got 12 of them. Let's see. 251 times 12. That's a little over 3,000 yards. I really hope that's enough for 2 cushions. If not, I'm in trouble because I don't know if you can get this again. But anyway, it's the Premier Reply DK weight. And so I'm going to use this since it's cotton and polyester. I thought it would work really well on those cushions to make. So you guys in the comments too, let me know, what stitch should I use to make the covers for our cushions out there on our chairs. But I thought this color would work really well and match up to the hunter green shutters on our front porch. So I did get some of that. So that's what I'm going to do with that at some point. I've got so many projects I need to finish before I even start on that. So we shall see. But right now it's too stinking hot to even go out there and sit on my porch. It is supposed to feel like 109 today with the heat index. So I'm not going anywhere near that front porch. The other day I had a little moment and I thought, I'm going to sit out here and crochet. The heat was unbelievable. The heat was just unreal. It hit me straight in the face and I was like, no. So it's been unbelievably hot. I can't imagine what August is going to be like. It's going to be unreal. So yeah. I'm trying to think if there was anything else. But that's pretty much what's going on. Again, with my mom, the trip took so much out of her. She When we got to Ohio and we got to our Airbnb, she went directly back to her bed and laid down. She was hurting so bad from the car, and we've had multiple stops, but it just really took a toll on her. And when we got home, she was like, I'm not taking another long distance trip again. And I thought, oh. So I think that's all coming from just how tired and wore out she was. I'm pretty sure the next time we say we're going to Ohio, she's going to want to go. But we will see how it goes. We'll just have to be more mindful and make a lot more stops than what we did to let her get out and stretch. Um, but yeah, so I've got so much going on. I can't even keep in my head. We are doing our VBS at our church is Rainforest Falls is what it's called, the curriculum program we bought. And it's all about, it centers around the rainforest, but each part of the rainforest, like the trees giving oxygen and the beautiful animals, and so it goes through and it talks about God's beautiful creation, and it talks about how the rainforest helps us with oxygen. And the whole theme of it is about the rain. It's centered around the rainforest, but it's talking about how God takes care of us. And it's going to be a great week. We have some really fun stuff planned. And yeah, on the community tab, I'm going to go today and finish up my classroom. And I'm going to take pictures of my finished classroom. And I'm going to take pictures of the decorations that we did for the VBS. So later this afternoon, watch for the pictures on my community tab. I'm going to put a post up there and show you guys the pictures. It's really looking good in our building. We are so excited to get started tonight, and that'll be every night this week. So it's going to be tiring, but it's going to be a lot of fun too. So I have got to run up to the building and finish up my classroom. I've got lots more to do. So I will see you again on Wednesday. I'll probably just come on real quick and do a real quick pop up about about Battle of the Stitches and anything else that has come about that I need to update you on. So that'll be Wednesday. Oh, and also I wanted to remind you all, I put a post up the other day, yesterday, I believe. But just to let you know, Shannon at the Spoonie Stitcher and I have decided to step back from doing our pink teal lives on Tuesday nights. So there will not be a live tonight. There will not be a live next week either. We're taking a couple of weeks off because we both have tons of stuff to do. Shannon is updating her stitchery. She is remodeling and reorganizing her yarn room. I've got tons of stuff going on myself that I need to focus on and get done. And so we will start back with our Tink Peel Lives the first Tuesday in August. So I just wanted you guys to be aware of that. And yeah, we're just getting overwhelmed with things that we need to do. And so we're going to get caught up on some stuff, and then we'll be back in August for our next Tink Peel Live. So I love you guys. I hope you have a magnificent Monday, and I'm going to go work on finalizing all my VBS stuff. So have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you again on Wednesday. Bye, guys.